Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to reload this dance. I had it posted as the Love Slide. It is the Love Shuffle. Okay, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in this area, please, the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested, this here is the instructional. If you're interested in the demo with the music, watch till the end, click on the video, and we can dance together. So this dance is a full wall dance that moves counterclockwise. The Love Shuffle. And let's go. So let's stand on this side of the room looking in this direction, okay? Now the first move we're gonna do is gonna be moving up. So we're gonna kick out right, left, swirl, lift, kick out left, right, swirl, lift, and moving forward. The weight is on the left. We kick out right, left, right, swirl, lift, kick left, right, left, swirl, lift. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, swirl 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Gotta use a little bit of your balance, which is great. All right? Now, we're gonna do a cross tap. Cross, tap, cross, tap, other side. Cross, tap, cross, tap. Almost going diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I love that move because you're on audit. When you do a tap, it's normally to the front or to the back. So the tap across your body, you really have to think about it. So this being a beginner's dance is perfect because you have to think about going in a different direction, okay? So you get that mental workout, so you need to be alert and really think about that step. All right, let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, kick out. 1, 2, swirl. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Did you get it? Let's do it again. 5, 6. Remember, move forward with this kick out with the swirl. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, swirl, lift. Left, right, swirl, lift, cross, tap, cross, switch, cross, tap, cross, tap, step. Now we're going to dip. Right, left, lift, left, right, left, lift. You're kind of doing a roll at the end, okay? So right, left, roll, lift, left, right, roll, lift. Notice how I bend my knees, okay? In order for your knees to stop hurting, ladies, you gotta use them, okay? If you don't use it, you lose it, all right? So going into that squat a little bit, using the quadricep, hamstring, and glutes. Yes, I'm giving you a little fitness class, okay? Right, left, roll, lift. Left, right, roll, lift. And when you lift, you're gonna go into the next movement, which is tap out and in, out and in. And a quarter turn to your left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. My right heel is up, and I'm going to start with that swirl, or with the kick out. Kick out, right, left, and swirl, lift, okay? Now, let's put it together. So let's do a review. So we kick out right, left, swirl, lift, left, right, swirl, lift, cross tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip. 1, 2, 3, roll 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Remember, when that right knee is up, go ahead and tap out and in, and right, 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 right. Move it to your left. Quarter turn to your left. 4 wall dance that moves counterclockwise. When you get here, you start out the dance again, okay? Here we go. I'm going to count for you while you do the steps. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and cross tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip. 1, 2, roll 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm moving up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, roll 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kick it out, move it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll it out. 1, 2, lift 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7. Tap out. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, 8. You're looking back at the camera. I'm assuming you done figured it out. You ready to jam. Now the music is a jam. It creates a vibe, and I want you to create a vibe too. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this dance. The love shuffle is cute, and you can add your own flavor. All right, guys? So make sure you check out the demo. Let's dance together. Remember, we're dancing together for lunchtime. We're not going out and spending any money. We're bringing our lunch. Yes, we are, because we're trying to save money to pay off our credit card bills and all those other bills that cost us money, okay? So, dance for your lunchtime. And guess what? This is a dance you can invite a co-worker to do. Some of y'all trying to teach y'all co-workers those hard line dances. No. Keep it real simple. It's a simple one right here. Okay? So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Kudos to Janice Peaks. This is a cute dance, the Love Shuffle. Make sure you check out the demo. Let's dance together. Leave me a comment. Thumbs up if you like this content. Please subscribe. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you right over here.